Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today guys I'm gonna be teaching you how you can buy VPS hosting with a 10% discount. So the link for the special discount is provided in the description of this video. So after you click in the link provided in the video description, you're gonna be redirected here, and after this you are going to click where it says services here, and then scroll down and you can see VPS hosting. Yes, so click where it says VPS hosting. And then you're gonna be checking that the guys from Hostinger are charging $4.99 per month, in which you're gonna be getting your free real-time snapshot, free automatic weekly backups, Cody AI assistant when it comes to virtual private servers for more power and control. Yes, so after this, click where it says choose your plan, and you guys are going to be redirected to the most popular plan. For example, in this case you're going to be paying this quantity of money, or if you prefer you start with this, but for the purpose of the video I'm going to be choosing this, the most popular plan, and click where it says choose plan, and we are going to be redirected here. As you can see, we're going to be getting the KVM2 plan for 24 months. You're going to save this quantity of money, and this is the quantity of money you guys are going to pay, the total amount of $167.76. But with my special discount, you're going to be really discounted here. Click where it says have a coupon code, and you copy and paste the coupon code here. Yes, after you copy and paste the coupon code, click where it says apply, and as you can see, the amount of money has been reduced. You are going to get your 10% discount. Yes, after this, click where it says continue, and you are ready to register here with the guys from Hostinger. You can do it with Gmail, GitHub, or your personal email. For example, I'm going to be registering with my Gmail account. Click where it says register here, and you also do it with this. I mean, do it with your Gmail account if you have one. So yes, after you register with your Gmail account, for example, you're going to be seeing a page like this. For example, first name, you type your first name, Tony, my last name is Correa. Country of residence, in this case I'm talking about Peru, for example. Then you type your phone numbers. For example, I'm going to type a random number here. Yes, and then the address, although it's optional, but you can ever type it here. And after this, you guys are going to put where it says continue. Yes, so the next step is continue here. Click here, and then you will be redirected to your payment. Yes, for example, billing address Tony Correa. This is my phone. It's a random number. It's not my real phone, but you guys put your real name and address and phone and all of that. And after this, you guys are going to complete the payment details. Yes, so you have more options. You have the PayPal, the Google Pay, Alipay, or CoinGate. Yes, for the purpose of the video, I'm going to be typing my credit card here. Yes, name on card, for example, is Tony. Card number. Yes. Yes. Expiry date, month is in July, the date is yes, the year 27, the CVV code is this. I'm going to finish the process of buying my hosting account, my VPS hosting plan with the guys from Hostinger. I click where it says submit payment, and my I will be ready to use my Hostinger VPS account. What I'm gonna do next is going and check the buying details in my email. Yes, so the guys of Hostinger just send me my credentials to my Gmail account so I can manage my VPS hosting account. Yes, so I hope you have liked my video, guys. Give it a thumbs up, and remember that the special code and discount is in the video description. Thank you for taking your time and watching my video. See you the next time.